Welcome to the video. Today I'll walk you through the steps to download The Sims 4 on your Mac. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video to support the channel. The Sims 4 is an amazing game, and the best part? You can get it for free. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. I'll use Brave for this guide. In the search bar, type Sims 4 and make sure you land on the official EA website. The official site is the safest place to get the game. Once you're on the EA website, look for the Play for Free button at the top right corner. Hover over it and select EA App and Origin. Now, hover over Download Now under It's Free. Next, select EA App and Origin. You should be redirected to the EA download page and click Download EA App. The download should automatically detect your Mac, so all you need to do is click Download for Mac. The download process should only take a few moments, so wait patiently until it completes. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the file. A prompt will appear, asking you to agree to the terms and conditions. Just click Agree to Continue. The EA app is a launcher that lets you access and manage your games, including The Sims 4. Drag the EA app into your Applications folder, and it will be ready for use. Next, close the pop-up and move the EA app installer to the trash. Now, open Launchpad, find the EA app icon, and double-click to launch it. You might see a warning saying the app is from an unidentified developer. Just click Open to proceed and enter your security password. You'll be prompted to enter your EA account details. If you don't have an account yet, click Create Account to set one up. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're logged in, you will see a button to download The Sims 4. Click on it. If you don't see the button, go to the Home tab in the top left corner of the EA app. Scroll down to find The Sims 4, click on it, and you'll find an option to download the game. Before starting the download, you'll need to choose the installation location and language for the game. Once you've selected your preferences, click Next, then press Download. The download will start, and you can monitor its progress under My Mac Games in the EA app. Once the game finishes downloading, it will automatically install. After installation, you'll be able to launch The Sims 4 directly from the EA app and start playing. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed The Sims 4 on your Mac. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.